we got Donny on the back of me, hugging me. We're going to some car meet or something. I think Donny likes the MT-09. Oh, I think I'm going to make a video going through all the mods on this bike, you know, and the things I want to do to it in the future. Because there's a lot of mods that are unappreciated, I think. I don't know where to park.
Wherever you want. Next to that bike if you want.
Yeah, I might have to. Park it down here. I'll just dump it there.
Oh. It's fucking rapid.
I told you. I did say we'd take it easy. Whoa, we found bike friends.
Huh?
I said we found bike friends. Oh, that warmed my hand up, that. Well, I thought they were down for a race, but obviously not. So, I suppose I've had to drop Donnie at home. Yeah, I was going to bring you home, but then I saw that car, and I was like, I can race him. Pea soup. No worries, mate. Catch you in a bit. I also want to get back into doing bike reviews again, so if anybody's got a bike they want me to review, or either a bike they own, like Squid did in Sheffield with his R7, or Cryptic did up in Scunthorpe with his Ninja 650, let me know. If you're happy for me to review it, we can sort something out. If you don't have a bike that you want me to review, or you don't own the bike you want me to review, let me know. I'll see if I can find one somewhere and do a review of it, and we'll bring back the old defib reviews. So let me know, keep me posted. If there's any meets you guys know of that you want me to go to because they're just out fucking rageous or whatever, then let me know and I'll see if I can accommodate. We are at 2,000 watch hours in a year. I need to get up to 4,000 watch hours in a year so I can start earning revenue from YouTube, and then we can start doing the things I wanted to do, like paying for people's licenses, doing giveaways of bikes and gear and things like that. We already gave away some gloves, we gave away a motorbike helmet. Please, 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 please share this video, like it, comment on it, watch it all the way through. Well, you will have done. Watch all my future videos all the way through if you enjoy them, and hopefully once we start earning some revenue, we can reinvest it into the people who are making this a dream for me. Pay for your licenses, hold little events, give away some gear. It'll be good, I promise you. People always talk about making the right person famous. Make me famous, I will give back to you with everything I can. I promise. Just make it happen for me and I'll make it happen for yous. I love you all. See you in the next one.